Hey foodies, if you're looking for the best breakfast potatoes, you have come to the right place. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make this one. First, we're going to start off by peeling 3 medium potatoes using the large side of a box grater to shred the potatoes. Then we're going to be transferring the shredded potatoes to a clean cloth and squeeze out the excess liquid. Combine the potatoes with a tablespoon of flour, a pinch of salt, black pepper, a pinch of garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, and then a large egg. To make about 5 patties, lay them on a tray and we're going to be placing this in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Next, we're going to remove from the oven and we are going to be frying our potatoes in a hot vegetable oil. We're going to fry on both sides until they're golden brown and serve. Guys, if you like this video, remember to like, share, and subscribe.